How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to turn on dark mode on TikTok, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the TikTok application over here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon located at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now just tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side, and then I want you to simply go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you're going to be able to land on this page where you simply need to go to the option known as display, as you'll be able to find it. Once you go to the display option, you can see light and you can see dark. So if you want to switch to dark theme, you just have to tap on this dark option over here. And to do that, you'll be able to get dark mode on TikTok. This way you'll be able to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.